Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Merry Christmas in advance and New Year in advance. I hope you all are great. So, I've been busy since morning. It's not easy. So, because tomorrow I don't want to be stressed off. So, I started doing my tastes around 7 since. I prepared pepper, a lot of things, onions. I just prepared them. So let me show you some of the stuff. So just a minute. So I prepared, this is a pepper suya chicken. This is pepper suya chicken, strong chicken. So this one is turkey that I've prepared. So this is pepper chicken. It's very peppery. So this one is pepper soup. It's pepper soup. Oh, can you see it? Pepper soup. Then turkey, strong chicken, suya chicken. So this is what I've been doing this morning. So so are you seeing the suya pepper chicken and turkey? Then pepper soup. So this is what I've been doing this morning. So for those of you that are calling me, Queen Mother is so extremely busy right now. So tomorrow I'm gonna make salad. Later in the evening, later in. So happy washing night to all of you. Gbàgbọ́ wẹ́yẹ gbé o, gbọ́yọ̀ wẹ́yẹ gbé o, siniya gbàgbọ́ wẹ́yẹ gbé. Ẹ̀gùn mẹ́kùn náà wá sí èkè wúgà náà lẹ́kìá. Mẹ̀lẹ̀ gbà wá ní àtọ̀jì rẹ̀ gbogbo náà bọ̀ ẹ́. So that's it. It's so sweet, eh? See, it's very sweet. Bàbá wà báyìí yàn ni. Ima ya me niko, mama ya me. Agba poni mo na no ba. I mommy, I love you. Me me kene ya kide. Every me tikata te come my name. Yo. No e come qui Oh no. Love you. This is Swisha. This pepper soya because I didn't even make a video about it when I was making. Maybe some other time. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step. This one now is they call it suya chicken. Suya chicken, yeah. I told you that it's so strong. I told you that I'm going to open restaurants very soon. And people are gonna like it. They're gonna like it because I have so many skills of cooking. This thing is sweet, on the neck, you live I make with mother. Goddess of the ocean, you cook that. I love you. It's so pepperish. I'm gonna buy a bony man, buy a correct. So guys, let me leave you now. This thing is too sweet, sha. Okay, lady, the thing is sweet. Oh gosh. So see you all later, okay? I love you so much. Yeah. So look at my fruits. See other fruits here and sweets. Mm-hmm. Gbọ́dọ̀ wáyé gbé ọ sí níyà gbọ́dọ̀ wáyé gbé ọ. Gbọ́dọ̀ wáyé gbé ọ sí níyà gbọ́dọ̀ wáyé gbé. Ẹkùnlẹ́kùnlé ọsí èké rúgánà lẹ́kíá. Ẹkùnlẹ́kíẹ̀nẹ́. Let me lick my hand in peace. I love you all. I hope you all are doing great. I'm so excited that all my fans worldwide, no bad news. You know, all my neighbors, they are so okay. I know we are going to celebrate this Christmas with a good head, everything. Understand? Hey, I love this music. Let me play this music song for you. Life is not easy. Life is not easy. Now I day, oh my God. Now let's go. If you don't want to cry, I beg you. I not come do why you. I not come do why you. Baby, yeah. And I promise you. And I promise you. My sweet baby, I'm on the yayo. Mouth. I not can do why you. That's my princess. I not can do why you. That's my love. That's my husband. She's my husband. So take care of yourself, everyone. I just to make you now happy. Always happy. Whether you get, you not get happy. Your hair reach these 12 months. You happy, my love. If you don't get this year, you'll get another year. Okay, my love. Okay. Always be happy. No matter. I'm not going why you. So you guys always be happy. I always say I love you all. I'm seeing some of your messages. I can't respond to all now. So guess what? Because this period I'm extremely busy. But don't worry. I will be free soon. Okay? Take care of yourself and be good, okay? You promise me, right? That you're gonna be okay. Food day not day. Happy. Happy. Your mate when they get money, your mate that has money, they are not here. They build house, they build everything, car. Yeah, oh, I love you so much. Take care of yourself.